Hello, I'm Jared Grasso, Executive Vice President of the New Jersey Association of Realtors. I'm here today to provide you with some insights into recent activity in the real estate market here in New Jersey. The numbers I'll be going through are available on our website, realstorynj.com. The latest numbers and what we're hearing from our realtors indicate that the real estate market is showing signs of fundamental strength in New Jersey. Clearly, the market, like the economy in general, has not experienced a full recovery, but the sales data for the latest quarter available is positive. Sales volume, or the number of existing homes sold, is starting to rise again, and affordability in most areas of New Jersey remains at extreme high levels. A review of the sales data from the second quarter of this year indicates that existing home sales in New Jersey are proceeding at a seasonally adjusted rate that, if continued at this pace for the rest of the year, would lead to more than 104,000 units sold during the year. This rate is 11,000 units higher than the seasonally adjusted rate for the first quarter of this year, but is down 13,000 units from the figure for the second quarter in 2008. By any measure, the data indicates that we're on the right track. This year's second quarter showed growth in home sales throughout the state when compared to the first quarter of the year. Statewide, home sales jumped from 18,300 units sold in the first quarter to 30,200 units sold in the second quarter. This 65% increase in sales volume can be seen in the north, the central, and southern regions of the state. In northern New Jersey, it went from 8,800 units to 14,600 units. In central New Jersey, it increased 4,300 units to 7,300. And in southern New Jersey, volume increased from 5,100 units to 8,200 units. This growth in sales volume is attributable to several factors. The first quarter is generally a slow time of year for home sales. This year's 65% increase has not been reflected for a number of years, illustrating that this surge is due to much more than seasonal influences. Home prices are still quite low compared to prices a few years ago. Realtors from around the state report that awareness of the $8,000 first-time home buyer's tax credit helped bring new buyers into the market during the second quarter of 2009. Lastly, mortgage rates continue to be at historic lows, and the affordability index for home buying is still incredibly high. Mortgage rates in New Jersey for the second quarter of 2009 averaged 4.96%, more than a tenth of a point lower than the 5.14% rate in the first quarter of 2009, and nearly 1.5 points lower than the average rate in 2007. The median price for a home in New Jersey during the second quarter of 2009 was over $312,000. With mortgage rates below 5% and the median family income in New Jersey at $83,000, purchasing the typical home in New Jersey would require a monthly principal and interest payment of $1,334, or only 19.3% of the median family income. It is important to note that while the affordability index is near its recent peak, the index for the second quarter decreased slightly from the first quarter of the year because the median price of a home increased from $299,000 to $312,000. Median home prices, as is historically the case, were higher in northern New Jersey than they were in the southern or central portions of the state. For the second quarter of 2009, the median sales price for a home in northern New Jersey was $368,600. In central New Jersey, it was $313,900. And in southern New Jersey, it was $214,700. Consumer confidence appears in general to be strengthening, and we are cautiously optimistic that sales data will continue to reflect strong market activity for the balance of the year.